Amazingly, she did. But that only adds...
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Warren County until 8:15 p.m. At 7:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Warrenton, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Norlina around 7:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Macon, Wise, and Lake Gaston. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Warren, North Carolina.
Yeah! Oh, yes!